Tooling is a crucial service in the manufacturing industry that involves the design, development, and production of tools and equipment used in the manufacturing process. Tooling is an essential aspect of manufacturing as it ensures that the production process is efficient, cost-effective, and produces high-quality products. Tooling services include the design and development of molds, dies, jigs, fixtures, and other specialized tools used in the manufacturing process. These tools are used to shape, cut, and form raw materials into finished products. The tooling process involves several stages, including design, prototyping, testing, and production. The design stage involves the creation of a blueprint or a 3D model of the tool. The prototype stage involves the creation of a physical model of the tool to test its functionality and performance. The testing stage involves the evaluation of the tool's performance and making necessary adjustments to ensure that it meets the required specifications. The production stage involves the mass production of the tool. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of high-quality plastic injection molds, die-cast molds, and precision machined components. The company has over 50 years of experience in the manufacturing industry and has a team of highly skilled professionals who are dedicated to providing excellent tooling services to their clients. Berkness Company understands the importance of tooling in the manufacturing process and has invested in state-of-the-art equipment and technology to ensure that they provide the best tooling services to their clients. Berkness Company offers a wide range of tooling services, including design, prototyping, testing, and production. The company has a team of experienced designers who use the latest software and technology to create high-quality tool designs. The company also has a well-equipped prototyping and testing facility where they can test the functionality and performance of the tools before mass production. Berkness Company has a commitment to quality and ensures that all their tools meet the required specifications and standards. In conclusion, tooling is an essential service in the manufacturing industry that ensures that the production process is efficient, cost-effective, and produces high-quality products. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in providing high-quality tooling services to their clients. The company has invested in state-of-the-art equipment and technology to ensure that they provide the best tooling services to their clients. If you want to learn more about Berkness Company's tooling services, you can visit their Contact Us page on their website. FAQs. 1. What is tooling in manufacturing? Tooling refers to the process of designing and manufacturing tools, molds, dies, jigs, and fixtures that are used in the production of goods. These tools are used to shape, cut, form, and assemble materials into finished products. 2. Why is tooling important in manufacturing? Tooling is important in manufacturing because it helps to ensure consistency and accuracy in the production process. By using specialized tools, manufacturers can produce high-quality products that meet specific design requirements. Tooling also helps to reduce production time and costs by streamlining the manufacturing process. 3. How is tooling designed and manufactured? Tooling is designed and manufactured using a variety of techniques, including computer-aided design, CAD, computer-aided manufacturing, CAM, and traditional machining methods. The design process typically involves creating a 3D model of the tool using CAD software, which is then used to generate instructions for the manufacturing process. The manufacturing process may involve CNC machining, injection molding, or other specialized techniques depending on the type of tool being produced. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.